Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, open your Instagram app and go into the profile icon. Click the profile icon and then click these three lines on the upper right corner of your phone on Instagram app. After that, go into account center, then go into personal details, and then click account ownership and control. And for now I'm going to deactivate or delete my account, so I'm going to be selecting deactivation or deletion of your account. After that, you have to select the account which you want to deactivate or delete. Then you are going to provide your password and you will be able to delete your account. Please make sure to subscribe our channel for latest tech videos in the upcoming future. So thank you, bye.